Getting started, what you need.
To connect a domain name to your web hosting, you first need two things: a registered domain name and an active web hosting account. Make sure you have access to your domain registrar's control panel and your hosting services account details. Both will be needed for configuration. Take note of your hosting provider's name server information or DNS settings, as these are crucial for linking.
Understanding DNS and Nameservers.
Name servers tell the internet where your website files are located. When someone enters your domain name, name servers guide them to your hosting provider. Most web hosts provide at least two name server addresses, like ns1.example.com and ns2.example.com. Changing your domain's name servers updates where your domain points, allowing visitors to reach your hosted website.
Updating name servers at your domain registrar.
Log into your domain registrar's control panel and find the DNS or name server settings for your domain. Replace the existing name servers with the ones provided by your web hosting service. This step ensures your domain directs visitors to your host. Save the changes and be aware that DNS updates can take several hours to fully propagate worldwide.
Configuring domain settings on your hosting account.
After updating name servers, access your web hosting control panel. Add your domain under the Domains section if it's not already listed. Point your domain to the correct directory or website in your hosting account. This confirms that traffic sent to your domain will show your intended website content.
Testing and troubleshooting the connection.
Once changes are made, test your domain in a browser. If the setup worked, you'll see your website or a placeholder page hosted on your provider. If problems occur, double-check name server entries and hosting account settings. Contact your hosting provider or registrar support for assistance if needed. Allow up to 48 hours for DNS changes to completely take effect.